How to swipe and go back on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, nowadays the new iPhones do not have home button, so it might be confusing on how to swipe or go back on iPhone. I will show you how to do it in just few simple steps. Suppose you open up an app and then you go to another setting, like let's say I go to general. Now I want to come back. Then what you need to do is you can see arrow in the top left, but there is a gesture that is from the very left corner. You'll need to put your thumb or any of the finger, and then you'll need to move it towards the right. So there you go. This is how you come back. And if you want to go back to the home screen, then you need to go to the very bottom of the screen and then swipe up. Now you come back to your home screen. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.